I've got something, and I want you guys to, before I say mine, I want you guys to chime in. If you go over to someone's house, and like we all admit, like you live in your house, like whatever, it's not perfect.
Yeah.
What's one thing that if you go to someone's house and that
I know my answer.
this
what are you going to judge them for?
Isn't cleaned or whatever, do you go, come on?
Oh, okay. I was gonna say before you said clean, I was gonna say if they have motion smoothing turned on the TV.
Oh, oh, that's abysmal. Why is that even that even a thing?
It looks great on the showroom floor, I suppose.
Yeah.
Terrible.
I think the one that gets me, and I think maybe because I'm a tradesperson, but like dirty hand marks around like doorknobs and light switches and stuff like that. If I see that, I'm like, oh, come on, you gotta clean that. Because I spent many years of my life going behind myself because I would always have dirty hands. I would always go behind myself and like scrub down the walls in order to not have them look atrocious.
Well, especially because light switches, they're that high gloss plastic and they clean up effortlessly.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, totally. It's very satisfying to do.
Okay, that's a good one. Deric, you go.